Welcome to English by Example. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We are so excited to have you here today.
Today begins a special journey. We're going to learn everything you need to know about shopping at the grocery store in English.
This is part 1 of our complete grocery store series. In this first part, we'll build your foundation.
Yes, we'll learn the basic vocabulary, the essential words you need to feel confident.
We'll also learn how to enter the store, understand the layout, and start your shopping journey.
This episode is designed especially for beginners. We speak slowly, we repeat everything, we give you time to practice.
So get comfortable, maybe grab a notebook and pen, and let's begin.
Are you ready?
Let's start your English grocery shopping adventure.
Jack, why is learning about the grocery store so important?
Great question, Emma. The grocery store is part of our everyday life. We all need food. We all need to shop.
Exactly. You might be a student in an English-speaking country. You might be traveling. You might be preparing for the future.
And when you go to the grocery store, you need to communicate. You need to read signs. You need to ask questions.
Yes. And here's something motivating for you, our listeners. Pause. Every time you go to the grocery store, you are practicing English in real life.
That's so true. The grocery store is like a classroom, but it's a real classroom with real food, real people, real conversations.
And here's a life hack for you, our listeners. Don't be afraid to make mistakes at the grocery store.
Jack is right. People at the grocery store are usually very helpful. They understand that English might not be your first language.
So let's repeat this together. This is our first empowerment moment. Say this with me.
I can shop in English.
Let's say it again, slowly. I can shop in English.
Beautiful. Keep that confidence with you.
Okay, let's start with basic vocabulary. These are the words you absolutely need to know.
First, the most important word. Grocery store. Listen carefully. Grocery store. Say it with me. Grocery store.
Good. Now, another word. Supermarket. Supermarket. These words mean the same thing.
In American English, people usually say grocery store. In British English, people often say supermarket.
But everyone will understand both. Now, let's learn the word aisle.
Aisle. A-I-S-L-E. It's spelled strangely, right?
But it sounds like aisle. The aisle is the space between the shelves where you walk.
Yes. Imagine the grocery store. There are tall shelves with food. Between these shelves, there are walkways. These walkways are aisles.
For example, the bread is in aisle 5. Or I'm walking down the aisle looking for pasta.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Aisle.
Good. The bread is in aisle 5. Excellent. Now, another important word, cart.
Cart. A shopping cart. This is the big metal basket on wheels that you push.
In British English, they say trolley, but in American English, we say cart or shopping cart.
When you enter a grocery store, you usually take a cart. You push the cart, you put your food in the cart.
Practice the sentence, I need to get a cart. Great. Now, a smaller option, basket.
Basket. A shopping basket. This is smaller than a cart. You carry it in your hand.
If you're only buying a few items, you use a basket. If you're buying many items, you use a cart.
Here's a real-life expression. I just need to grab a few things, so I'll use a basket.
Listen to that expression, grab a few things. This means to quickly get a few items.
We don't literally grab them and run. It just means we're shopping quickly.
Let's practice. Say, I'll grab a few things. Pause. Perfect. Okay, everyone, time for our first practice break. Close your eyes if you can. Take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out.
Now, let's review. I'll say a word, you repeat it. Ready?
Grocery store.
Supermarket.
Aisle.
Cart.
Basket. Wonderful. You're doing great. Let's continue. Now, let's imagine you're entering the grocery store for the first time. What happens?
First, you walk through the doors. Usually, the doors open automatically.
Yes. In most modern grocery stores, the doors sense when you're coming and they open by themselves.
Then, you see the carts and baskets. They're usually right at the entrance.
Here's a life hack. If the carts are stuck together, pull firmly, but don't force it. Sometimes there's a coin lock system in some countries.
Good tip. In some European stores, you need to put a coin in to unlock the cart. Then you get your coin back when you return the cart.
In the US, most stores don't have this system. The carts are free to use.
Cultural context here. This is interesting. Different countries have different systems.
Now, let's learn a useful expression. When you enter the store, you might say to yourself, "Okay, let me grab a cart."
Let me grab a cart. This is natural, casual English.
Or you might say, "I'll get a basket."
Let's practice both. Let me grab a cart. Great. I'll get a basket.
Excellent. Every grocery store has a layout. A layout means how things are organized.
Yes, and here's something interesting. Most grocery stores are organized in a similar way.
Usually, when you enter, you see fresh produce first. Produce means fresh fruits and vegetables.
Produce. This word is important. Listen, pro-deuce. The stress is on the second syllable.
Wait, Jack, let's do a mini grammar coaching moment here.
Oh, good idea.
The word produce can be a noun or a verb, but the pronunciation changes.
When it's a noun, meaning fruits and vegetables, we say produce. Stress on the first syllable.
When it's a verb, meaning to make something, we say produce. Stress on the second syllable.
For example, this farm produces excellent produce.
That's a tongue twister, but it shows both meanings. At the grocery store, we're talking about the noun, produce. Okay, back to the layout. After the produce section, you usually find the bakery.
The bakery. This is where they have fresh bread, rolls, cakes, and pastries.
I love the smell of the bakery section.
Me too.
Now, here's a real-life expression. If you ask an employee, "Where's the bakery?" they might say, "It's toward the back."
It's toward the back. This means it's in the back area of the store.
Or they might say, "It's on the far corner," or "It's on your left," or "It's on your right."
Let's practice these directions. Repeat. It's toward the back. It's on your left. It's on your right.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about other sections.
There's the meat section, also called the butcher section or meat department.
The dairy section, where you find milk, cheese, yogurt, and eggs.
The frozen food section with frozen vegetables, ice cream, and frozen meals.
The canned goods aisle, with canned vegetables, soups, and beans.
And the beverage aisle with drinks, sodas, juices, and water.
Let's practice these. Repeat after me. Meat section. Dairy section. Frozen food section. Canned goods. Beverage aisle. Excellent work. Now let's do a visualization practice now. This will help you remember.
Close your eyes if you're in a safe place to do so. If you're walking or driving, just listen carefully.
Imagine you're at the entrance of a bright, clean grocery store.
You walk in. The doors open automatically. You feel the cool air from the inside.
You grab a cart. The cart has a comfortable handle. You start to push it forward.
On your right, you see beautiful, colorful produce. Red apples, green lettuce, orange carrots.
You can smell fresh bread from the bakery in the distance.
You feel confident. You know the words. You can do this.
Now open your eyes. How do you feel?
Visualization is powerful. It prepares your brain for the real experience.
Wow, Jack, we covered so much in part 1.
We really did. Let's quickly summarize what our listeners learned today.
Okay, first we talked about why the grocery store is so important for English learners. It's not just shopping, it's real life practice.
Then we learned essential vocabulary: grocery store and supermarket, aisle, cart and basket, produce, bakery, dairy, meat section, frozen foods, and canned goods.
And we did our first visualization practice. You imagined yourself walking confidently through the store.
So, how do you feel right now?
We hope you feel more confident. Remember, you learned these important words today: grocery store and supermarket,
Aisle,
cart and basket.
produce, bakery, dairy, meat section.
Frozen foods and canned goods.
Practice these words this week. Say them out loud. Write them down. Use them in sentences.
Now, let me tell you what's coming in part 2.
Ooh, yes, part 2 is going to be so helpful.
In part 2, we're going to learn how to make a shopping list in English.
We'll learn how to ask for help with key phrases like, "Excuse me, where can I find?"
We'll teach you how to read signs and labels, how to weigh produce, and how to compare products to get the best deals.
You'll learn money-saving tips, life hacks, and so many real-life expressions.
Plus, we have more practice breaks, more visualization exercises, and more empowerment moments.
Part 2 will help you actually communicate in the grocery store with confidence.
So make sure you come back for part 2. It's going to be amazing.
Before you go, let's do one quick review. Can you remember these words? What's the word for the space between shelves where you walk? That's right, aisle.
What's the big basket on wheels that you push? Yes, a cart or shopping cart.
Where do you find fresh fruits and vegetables?
Perfect, the produce section.
You remembered everything. We're so proud of you.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. You're doing great.
This was part 1 of English by Example at the grocery store.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. See you in part 2.
Happy learning.
And remember, you can shop in English.
Bye for now.
See you soon.